My nighttime skincare routine starts with cleansing my face. First, I use the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I don't have eye makeup on, but I have just a little bit of mascara and some makeup on my eyebrows. Quite a few years ago, I did hair transplant on my eyebrows because my eyebrows were getting too thin and uneven. So now my hairs can grow quite wild and long, so I have to kind of tame them down. And then I'm also going to remove my lip balm. The next step is cleansing the face. I love foamy cleansers, especially love this La Vienne Perfect Balance Daily Cleansing Foam because it's gentle on my face. It doesn't strip it from the moisture it needs. Just a bit of cleanser. The face is clean now, and I'm going to move to what is the holy grail for flawless glowy skin and anti-aging. By the way, I am 45, no lines and wrinkles on my face, and my face is moving naturally. The holy grail for anti-aging and glowing and flawless skin, it is prescription Retin-A. I have been on prescription Retin-A whether through a med spa or my dermatologist for well over 10 years. I use 1% and I use it a lot also on my body, on my chest. I live in Las Vegas and it is dry and it's also winter. I cannot use this every day. Even if I was to live on the East Coast where it is more humid, I could not use on my skin 1% every day. I use it for the most part 3 to 5 times a week. Maybe if it's more humid, I use it 6 times a week. I take my skincare all the way through here, but because I'm doing this video, I stop my skincare here and will complete there after I press stop on the video. Oh, tonight is a special night. I'm going to use an ampoule from this beautiful kit from La Vienne. Don't worry, I will link all the products in the description of the video. Amino Silk Skin Ampoule. It looks so beautiful. It's this little capsule right here. I'm going to apply this over my skin. I'm not going to use the whole bottle tonight. I keep the leftover in the fridge. It does feel so smooth and silky. Ah, what a special treat on a Tuesday night. Beautiful. This is how much I have left. I'm going to let it sink into my skin a little bit. And while it's doing that, I'm going to pick the moisturizer for tonight. It is again a La Vienne moisturizer, micro collagen core cream. Back in the summer, I started to use the La Vienne skincare. A neighbor of mine told me about it and I really, really like it. I would like to try other luxury skincare lines that are based in Korea, because so far my experience has been wonderful. My skin looked good before, but this Korean line has taken my skin to another level. My only skin issue right now, I had it last winter too, is some redness right in the corner of my mouth. I have been gentler on my skin last week. It seems like it's going away, but it's still not gone all the way. The finishing touch is the La Vienne Micro Collagen Mist Essence. Shake it a bit and I'm going to spray my skin. Now I know it is an inconvenience to go to a dermatologist or a med spa or a plastic surgeon to get a prescription for Retin-A. I get it. But is going to be 100% worth it of your time and money to do that. And it's also going to be the least expensive skincare product that you buy unless you use more drugstore lines. I think for this Retin-A jar, which lasts me for 5 months, I pay about $60. $60. Next, I'm going to follow with Latisse. I've been using Latisse for maybe 15 years, a long time. My eyelashes are kind of small because I ended up getting them cut off to get rid of my eyelash extensions. I love my eyelash extensions, but you're hurting my real lashes. So I had to give them up, not easy. I'm following up with the Revive Lip Balm. I love this lip balm because it is very moisturizing. It lasts a long time and I don't get rashes on my skin. For my hands, I use this. This is from Dior. I'm also gonna put in the description. A friend of mine told me about it and it's amazing. It is creme apricot. I put it around my cuticles, just like this. I go around every cuticle, pretty much every night, and also around the cuticles on my feet. It keeps the look of a beautiful manicure much longer. The final touch is hand cream. I currently use La Mer hand cream. I don't know if it's my favorite, but this is what I use right now. It's actually one of the better ones I used. I just don't know if it's my favorite. I also want to try the hand cream from La Vienne, and then I will make a final decision.